Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did pick and drop braids. And if you're new here, I'm Nicole Patrick, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much for your support. So I'm going to start off by moisturizing and combing my hair. I'm going to be using this Blue Magic hair food to moisturize my hair. I'm going to be using Dali Superstar extension. I'm going to go ahead and cut it into two parts. Then I'm going to drag it and all that. Actually, I did everything off the camera because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to section out this amount of hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and start braiding it. If you don't know how to braid, please watch this video carefully and you definitely understand. I'm not going to braid it all the way to the end. I'm going to braid it halfway. Actually, I use my own natural hair to measure how long I want the braids to be. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie it. So after braiding all the hair, I'm going to go ahead and start coiling it. I'm going to take like 9 braids and braid it all together. First of all, I'm going to make sure I comb it very well to straighten it out before I braid it all together. After braiding the hair, it's going to look exactly like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and put all this hair in hot water. I'm going to apply my gel to hold the coils in place. Then I'm going to leave the hair for some hours to dry very well before I unravel it. So guys, this is like the next day and the hair is fully dried. I had to wait that long because I want the coils to come out perfectly. I was not in a hurry at all. I just give the hair time to dry by itself. And now I'm going to go ahead and start taking down the braids. So guys, this is all for this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and comment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.